Hi guys, welcome to this series where I share a list of all the national and international competitions in which Mechies like me can take part in. I'm the Mechie girl, and if you don't want to miss any update from my side, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon. So let's get started. Hi everyone, in this video we are going to talk about the Student Grant 2018 from the 3D Hubs. It's a great opportunity to win $1,000 for your 3D printing project. So basically this grant you can have a like if you can have your own idea, you can have your own project, but it should fit in these three categories. I think pretty much every idea will fit in one of these three categories, right? So you have engineering category, you have product design category, and you have architectural projects. So make sure you select one category and you put your design, you put your entry in it. So the awardee for each of these three categories, they will receive this amount in grant funding along with the 10 runner-ups whose name will be named, and they will receive a copy of the 3D printing handbook and also the official finalist certification. So even if you're not going for the top one, you can still get the handbook and the official certification. That's a pretty much great thing, right? That's an awesome thing. So make sure you do everything, you make it ready before June 30th 2018. So to sign up as a student, you need to put your university email address. In case your university does not provide an email address, you can still register for the competition. To verify you as a student, you will need to send them your student ID card, your official student ID card. You need to send them, you need to email to 3D Hubs, and they will verify you as a student and they will activate your student account. Alright, so you need to use the same email address that you have used to register on the website. So after you are done with it, you can apply for any of these three categories and you can enter your design. These are the entries for the previous year. You can see how they have what they have designed. You can take inspiration from it. Okay, so see, these are the entries of the three categories. The designs look great, right? So now you know that what kind of pictures you need, what kind of ideas you need. So they are solving pretty much great problems which actually should be solved. So in that case, their problem case is also great, and also you can see the representation of the idea, the pictures are also great. So both of them are given equal importance for this grant. So they will be basically using your pictures as a showcase, right? So in that case, your picture must look very like awesome, as also your idea must be very much important. Your idea must also be great. So if you need any help, you can comment in the comment section. I'll definitely try to help you out with this competition. If you need to know what are the softwares, or you need to know anything you want to know, you can comment it in the comment section. And if you're participating in this particular grant, in this particular competition, then best of luck from my side. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the bell icon if you don't want to miss any update from the Mechie girl. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.